The next buy type of investment is a program within KSK Co-op called RSIP, Regular Saving and Investing Program. This is a tie-up with a very popular, established, reputable equity mutual fund here in the Philippines, First Metro Asset Management Incorporated Save and Learn Equity Fund. Ano pong pagkakaiba nito compared sa ibang mutual fund? Dahil ang Pilipino sanay sa tingi or sa shale type, sa shale economy, ang ating mutual fund or RSIP sa KSK Co-op, inaalok din in tingi form or tingi sizes para sa kanyang mga member. Imagine, for just 300 pesos every month, 500 to 1,000 pesos every month, you can directly, with the help of your KSK Co-op, invest in our capital market in an equity mutual fund, to be specific, FAMI Salef. Para magkaroon po kayo ng idea, yung FAMI Salef last year had a gain of 64%. Again, hindi po siya guaranteed, hindi siya fixed, hindi siya insured because it's a buy type of investment. Kaya po sa KSK Co-op, for its members, with a small amount, 300 pesos, you can now participate and have a chance and leverage it with your KSK Co-op, the same performance that a 1 billion will have, your 300 pesos a month will have. Ang requirement lang po rito, kung 300 pesos ang inyong ilalagay, kailangan minimum 300 pesos every month and committed kayo for the next 36 months. Kung 1,000 pesos a month, ang commitment nyo mas maliit in a period of 1 year only. After the commitment or the committed period, you can withdraw or redeem your placement in that mutual fund under RSIP anytime with no penalties. Because if nag-redeem o nilabas nyo ang pera nyo before the commitment period, there is a 5% penalty. Okay? Ang kagandahan po rito sa RSIP, kung kayo dediretso sa isang mutual fund, merong sales fee na i-charge ang mga mutual funds, lahat ng mutual funds dito sa Pilipinas. Dito, pinapadali natin ang pagsali at binabawasan ang gastos para kayo sumali sa isang mutual fund dahil kayo ay KSK Co-op member. We started RSIP last year, May 17, and allow me to present to you a simulation, a real simulation of a co-op member who joined when we started RSIP last May 17, 2010. Yung perang nilagay niya, the co-op, the transaction fees that was charged ng co-op niya sa kanya, and the current valuation of his or her placement. As of yesterday, ang net asset value ng FAMI Salef ay 3 pesos and 7.55 centavos. Ang nabili na ng co-op member na ito, sa example na ito, as of September 8, 2011, ay 3,807.26 shares. Therefore, may value na 13,664 pesos ang kanyang pagmamayari, number of shares in FAMI Salef. Compared sa amount of investment niya na 11,780, ang pera niya through RSIP ng KSK Co-op has grown already 21.3% in 1.3 years or in about 15 months. So dito po, pinapakita natin na with your KSK Co-op, mas madali, mas maliit ang halaga, mas mura para kayo makasali sa capital market or specifically investing in a mutual fund, FAMI Save and Learn Equity Fund to be specific. The upcoming project, still under buy type of investment, is the RED project, Real Estate Development Project. Doon po sa mga sumusunod sa amin sa aming website, maaaring nakita niyo yung project na ito under a proponent Grand Monaco developers. We explored, studied 3 sites of Grand Monaco, namely Antipolo, Sucat, and Pasig. Unfortunately, all 3 are not either feasible or not really viable as far as our RED project. That is why our alternative project currently is the Aurum 1 project. Aurum 1 is a residential 7-story condominium building in the heart of Makati, located in Bangkal. It's a thriving commercial area. Doon sa mga pamilyar sa inyo, maalala nyo po yan, yung Evangelista sa Makati, merong development, a condotel, right in the heart of Bangkal, Makati. It's 7-story. It's at the corner of General Del Pilar Street and Evangelista Street. And the benefit or the option for co-op members, though this is not final yet, what we are studying to offer co-op members are the following. There are 2 options. One may be FBSR. You contribute in the funding for the Aurum 1 to be built and be sold and get a return with some gain. Minimum participation is 50,000. Projection is a return of 90,000 after 4 years. Again, these options are still for finalization. Option 2 is funding and co-owning the property, meaning your 50,000 will participate in co-owning some of the condo units in Aurum 1 and get rental income starting after 2 years when the Aurum 1 building is up and running. You can expect 8% to 12% per unit of participation. Okay? Again, ang pinagkaiba po ng first option, nangapital lang kayo para maitayo hanggang mabenta yung sum of the units of Aurum 1. Second option, you become co-owner. Your 50,000, binakas nyo to buy 1, 2, or 10 units of other co-op members na nakibakas at ipaparenta yung mga units na kayo ang may-ari and expect about 8% to 12% of your 50,000 every year, starting on the second year. Currently, there are 32 members who have pledged already. Hindi pa completely participating because this is still under study. Another high investment project, which is ongoing already, KSK Co-op co-owns a LED billboard. It's located in Tomas Morato, corner Roses in Quezon City. Unfortunately, this is closed already. Pero just for the benefit of presentation, nakikita mo po si Joel Cala, tinuturo yung location ng LED billboard. Joel Cala is the KSK Co-op Member Affairs Officer. Co-op members can participate in co-owning, or members participated in co-owning the LED billboard for just 10,000 pesos with a projection of 22,000 pesos after the 5-year joint venture agreement of KSK Co-op and Power Multimedia, the co-owners of the LED billboard in Tomas Morato. Simply put, dahil meron po tayong negosyo na billboard, kung meron mag-advertise, you can expect 416 pesos every month for those who participated in the LED billboard. Ano po ang risk dito? Dahil lahat ng kita manggagaling sa risk kung walang mag-advertise doon sa billboard. Currently, nag-start mag-operate ang LED billboard August 15. As of date, there is still no advertisers, but there are 8 companies in the pipeline waiting to finally sign a contract to advertise in the LED billboard. This LED billboard project is currently closed But that doesn't mean new members that are coming in will not benefit from the LED billboard project because KSK Co-op as a co-op owns 30% of the LED billboard project.